If you're in the business of managing property, commercial office space, apartments, hotels, schools, you name it, then you already know the headaches that come with maintaining these properties. It's a common scenario. Your maintenance technician has a repair job at one building on your site or on another floor on your building. Toolboxes and materials are lugged to the job site only to discover that the job requires a tool or part they don't have with them, necessitating one or more trips back and forth from the job site. Well, Mobile Shop is the cure for those maintenance headaches. Designed by property management and maintenance professionals, Mobile Shop puts all the tools and parts needed for the typical job in one place. A shop on wheels that can go with the maintenance technician and allow him to do his job right the first time without having to leave and waste time searching for another tool or part.
We didn't have a routine set of tools. Our engineers were spending a lot of time going back and forth from tenant spaces to retrieve tools. It seemed instantaneously a very simple solution where tools are together in one place and they could be transported to any location they needed them.
Well, before I had, it was funny, I had a toolbox in a drawer. I couldn't even take the toolbox out because the handle was broke on the toolbox. And every time I needed a tool, I had to run back and forth to the property. I have two large buildings at my property, and anytime I did a job, I had to run back and forth to get a particular tool. And you can imagine the man hours that it wasted just going back and forth. And then a tenant looks at you and like, you know, is he capable of doing the job? So it was a bit of a hassle.
I think the efficiency factor, now when we start a turnover, they take this mobile shop with them, they go to the unit, and they can keep working till the job is done. Before, they were having to run 2, 3, 4 times down to the shop to get a tool, or because our industry, the maintenance man provides his own tools, they were running maybe to a store even now and then to get a specialized tool. So now they have all their tools with them.
My system consisted of buckets of tools, which I transported in a shopping cart. As far as efficiency, as far as my regular daily work orders at the end of the month turns, on turns alone, it's cut 75% of time of me not having to run back and forth to my shop to collect tools for the job.
Mobile Shop comes loaded with 230 professional quality tools and 180 of the most used parts, all in an organized system with a place for every tool and every part. No more searching through a messy toolbox or modified maintenance cart to try to find the right tool or part for the job. While the Mobile Shop can go just about anywhere on wheels, it can also be easily taken apart and loaded into the back seat of a small car in no time at all. It fits perfectly in the back of a small golf car or in the optional golf car utility bed. It even has a rain cover and a motion sensor alarm built in to protect it from weather and theft. A supply of spare parts can be kept on site in the optional parts center, and you can quickly reorder tools and parts from the Mobile Shop's online shopping cart. But Mobile Shop is more than a tool bag or a parts organizer. It's a system that's about saving you time and money through better control and increased productivity.
To be perfectly honest, when I was turning a wrench, I really wish I would have had one of these. Now that I'm in a position where I don't turn a wrench as often, it's a no-brainer for me to try to bring this in for the guys that do. We ran 2 prototypes, one at a garden style with the golf cart set up, and then one at a high-rise. Both applications work just as well as I thought it would, and just as well as the Mobile Shop team said it would. So the response has been 100% positive. The cost savings side of it is just phenomenal. I mean, some of it's a soft cost that you can't really quantify, but it's there. I mean, it's there, and it's measurable in the amount of work orders that are completed, your turn times. Productivity has increased, morale has increased. I mean, this shows our associates our commitment on Waterton's side as we strive to become the leader in the multifamily industry, that we're behind all of our associates 100%. And this just gives them a sense of ownership that is insurmountable, in that our commitment is 100% behind them, and therefore their commitment to us and their respective property is 100%.
Providing the Mobile Shop system for your maintenance technicians instills a sense of pride. and helps attract the best workers while reducing turnover. Our training will ensure that your technicians use the mobile shop the right way from day one, and managers will appreciate the accountability and inventory controls built into the mobile shop system. Our customers include some of the biggest names in property management in North America, and they tell us that the best thing about mobile shop is that it pays for itself quickly and keeps on providing benefits through years of efficient service. Mobile shop, we're changing the way the world works.